So last year I did a quick video replacing the front axle seals on my 96 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I did everything the correct way, but what I didn't know at the time was that this orange RTV seal was damaged, and that's where my leak was coming from. Fast forward to the day, I had some spare time to get the job done. So I got some Right Stuff gasket maker, OEM spicer seals, and a new tool that I've never seen used when doing this job. So this is the Stallion product axle seal installer set, part number 6764A. Use this special tool to install a new style inner axle seals in Jeep vehicles equipped with Dana Model 30 non-disconnect front axles. This installer can also be used with various adapters for current applications. This tool was built here in the US, and I purchased it from freedomracing.com for $90. And when buying the tool on the website, it's going to give you the option to also purchase the Mopar seal installer, part number 8110A, specifically designed for original spicer seals. So for an extra $45, I did just that, which brought me to a grand total of $134.96. These discs may have been an extra $45, but I personally feel they're worth it. Here's the original equipment inner axle seal, spicer part number 46470. This seal has an inner lip that this tool fits perfectly, which eliminates the risk of damaging the seal during installation. So here with my 96 ZJ, and I've already removed the axles, drained the fluid, took the gears out, and cleaned up. I removed the orange RTV seal that was damaged and laid a circular bead of Right Stuff gasket maker in its place. You want to disassemble the jack screw and coat the threads with anti-seize. Push both seals in place as straight as you can, and you'll notice the gasket maker is actually helping to hold the seals in place. You'll need a 1-inch wrench to turn the sleeve, but if you don't have that, you can just use 2 large adjustable wrenches. You want to begin by taking this piece and installing it on the end of the tool, then push it against the seal. Install the other piece on the other end and loosen the sleeve so the screw pushes outward until it's firmly pressed against both seals. Then use one adjustable wrench to hold the nut from turning and the other to turn the sleeve. This tool puts even pressure on the seals and reduces the risk of installing it crooked. It also allows you to better gauge how deep you're pressing the seals in, as opposed to banging them in place with the socket and hammer method.